big vehicle clinic.
We came from our beautiful wild camping spot that we spent the night there.
Yeah.
So Tartu, because there's one thing that we have to make with our dogs. So it's echinococcal treatment for the dogs before we enter Finland.
Yeah. So we haven't booked the time, but I'm going to go talk to vet if we can just make a quick pop there and
Yeah, it's just
bill
that we give to dogs and
yeah.
the vet signs it that we have given it.
Okay, everything went a little quicker than expected. So they just wanted €5 and they gave it a stamp.
This kind of echinococcus treatment. And echinococcus is worm, Finland, UK, Malta,
Norway.
are one of the Switzerland, yeah. Free from echinococcus. Basically, that echinococcus is really bad because all the berries and everything can carry the echinococcus worm.
Yeah.
So we are lucky that it's not in Finland, and that's why it's really strict that people, when they enter to Finland with a dog, they have to give treatment before entering.
And of course you have to be a responsible pet owner and do it.
Yeah. Well, you have to have a pet passport in EU when you are traveling here.
So it means dog has to have a tag or tattoo.
It has to have the vaccination up to date. And when you enter from rabies country, you have to make an anti-rabies test for the dog.
Yeah.
I think it's really easy to travel with dogs.
Yeah, we thought this would be so much harder.
Yeah, only thing that we didn't go with the dogs was Macedonia.
And traveling inside the EU country is really easy. You have just a passport and then you take these tiny pills from time to time. And Dino is the hardest one.
Yeah, because he knows that there's a pill inside and he just eats the
cheese.
So. Okay.
So we are in central of Tartu and we came to this like sport hall parking lot. You can be here with the meter.
Tänään on nussillisen päivä. So, they added NHL team Philadelphia Flyers logo over here.
We don't know why.
Strange shit. Russian U-turn!
It's funny you can actually make a U-turn in
a motorway.
Highway.
Yeah, and this is only thing that you can find in the eastern part of the whole countries in Finland and Estonia. And it's made only for Russians, because I don't know why, but they do lots of U-turns in the traffic. That's weird, because no one else does it. And in Finland, all the U-turn places that are on the eastern border, I think 2 kilometers away from the border of Russia. No, anywhere else there's no U-turn places. So
what's up with that, Russians?
I know. That's why we call it Russian U-turns.
Yeah.
And if you watch from YouTube car crashes from Russia, every car crash is okay. Half of them is caused by somebody doing a U-turn. Good morning from northern Estonia. Outside is chilly plus 11 and it was plus 5 at the night time. Somebody commented on our YouTube video that are we taking out the wood stove in the summertime, and no, we need it also in the summertime, because if there's a cold wave, then it's plus minus 0. It's not going anywhere. It's there forever.
We need it in summertime too.
Again, RMK
Land.
place. RMK land, which has all the facilities that we need.
Yeah. Stunning clean place once again.
And these are usually very good because you have to drive through gravel road, maybe 2 kilometers max.
Yeah.
And that's it. And these are basically maybe 2 kilometers away usually from the main highway, and you could also be here just for overnight, sleeping and then continuing the journey.
Yeah, you don't have to take like a detour.
Or park in those truck stops. So no truck stops for us.
Yeah, and no rest stops.
Yeah.
We find these kind of nature sites.
And if we are in the middle of like city or something, we try to find park or smaller towns.
Yeah.
But let's eat breakfast and these huge mugs of coffee.
Essence of the morning. So it's total fire ban in whole Estonia because of the dryness. So not even smoking in the forest. They are really strict about it, which is cool thing, because that way we cannot have a huge forest fires. They are no joke. So being extra cautious about these things is thumbs up. We like it. There is some hornets or airplanes, so we don't know what they are doing.
Actually, the NATO has the largest training of, I think, past 2 years, over 20,000 soldiers around the Baltics and Poland.
They are loud. Stupid hornets are ruining our evening in the nature.
I did some googling, and those fighter jets are actually Italians, and they are Typhoons, and they took control of the airspace here in North Estonia, and they have training day, so I think they will be here the whole day flying over Suomenlahti. These kind of swamps were actually my first belief that what the Estonia looks like.
The whole Estonia.
Whole Estonia, but there's only swamps in the northern part of the Estonia in quite small area. But well, it's most known national park in Estonia, so that's why I think I got the thought that the whole Estonia is full of swamps.
Delicious. I'm eating everything Joni hates, so my tomato soup, my wok, and crab rolls.
Yeah.
Cannot beat this.
And Joni's dish is called helenherkku, which is just pasta and minced meat.
Ew.
Yeah, I like it because
It's not Sara food.
it's a Sara food. It's really simple that I used to eat when I was student.